I've now had my first ride with a SmartCarb on, and it was a really pleasant ride. I was riding in the jungle on the trails for around 1.5 hours, and it was really good conditions. And my first impression, the SmartCarb, is that it starts really easy, much easier than before, and it also runs smoother. I think it feels really just smooth. And when you put in the throttle, it's responding faster, it's more crisp. So I think this can be really nice. I only adjusted the clicker 3 clicks leaner, but I need to do a little bit more adjusting to the leaner side, I guess. As you can see on this picture here, it's coming out some fuel and oil from the exhaust. This is a lot less than what it used to do with the stock carb, so it's a good sign. SmartCarb, they usually ship the carbs with richer conditions, so there is no issue with the bikes, and then the owners need to just lean them out. So I'm going to go out riding again. I'm going to try to lean it out a little bit more and see how it works. But it was a really good test for me, because when I woke up that morning it was 14 degrees Celsius, 6:45 a.m. in the morning, and when I got to the riding area it was 19 degrees, and that was around 9 a.m. And when I got back around 11:30, it was already 27 degrees. So from when I started to I got back, it was 8 degrees warmer, and it was actually almost double since I woke up in the morning, and it changes a lot here. So far it felt really good to have this SmartCarb on. So if you want to see the full riding video, it's in a link in the video description below. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.